Oregon health officials are concerned about a sharp increase in cases of whooping cough across 9 counties and are urging people to get vaccinated against the disease, which can be fatal to babies. The Oregon Health Association, OHA, says that as of May 29th, 178 pertussis whooping cough cases have been reported. That marks a 770% increase from the 20 cases reported by that date in 2023. However, the OHA does note that the 2024 numbers are roughly in line with those seen during similar timeframes in the immediate pre-pandemic years, including 2019, when there were 93 cases, and 2018, which saw 248 cases. The OHA describes whooping cough as silcial pertussis is cyclical, and before the COVID-19 pandemic peaked every 3 to 5 years.